Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a Roblox gift card in your account. So first of all, you're going to have to open a browser because it's not possible in your Roblox application. In your browser, then type in Roblox login, select login to Roblox. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Roblox account. Now from here, select the gear icon, select help and safety. As I do that, select help center. And here, simply type in redeem under the search box. Once done, select search, and likewise go for the first article that says how to redeem and spend your gift card. And make sure that you have your Roblox gift card alongside you, and make sure that you have already scratched the code that is in the backside of the Roblox gift card. As I do that, select this red link, and here simply type in the code that you see in the back of your gift card. Once done, select redeem. Make sure that you're typing the code correctly as you see it in your gift card, and likewise you will be able to redeem it.